Ready to turn your passion into profit by launching a thriving e-commerce business right here in Canada? Opening a Shopify store in Canada is your launchpad to entrepreneurial success, and this detailed guide will walk you through every crucial step. First things first, let's get you signed up. Head over to Shopify.com and click Start Free Trial. You'll be prompted to enter your email address, create a password, and choose a store name. This name will become your online address, so pick something memorable and relevant to your brand. Once you've got your basic store set up, it's time to configure your settings. Navigate to the settings section in your Shopify admin. This is where the magic really happens for your Canadian operations. Crucially, you'll need to set up your payment gateways. Shopify Payments is a fantastic and integrated option for Canadians, but you can also explore other popular providers like PayPal. Simply select your preferred method and follow the on-screen prompts to link your bank account and business details. Next, let's talk shipping. This is vital for serving your Canadian customers. Under shipping and delivery, you can set up your shipping zones for Canada. You'll want to configure shipping rates for different regions. You can use real-time carrier rates, create flat rate shipping, or even offer local pickup if you have a physical presence. Now, for the essential aspect of compliance: taxes. Shopify helps you manage your tax obligations. Navigate to the taxes and duties section here. You can configure how you'll collect and remit GST, HST, and PST based on your business location and where your customers are located within Canada. It's important to consult with a tax professional to ensure you're fully compliant. To give your store a professional look, you'll want to connect a custom domain. Go to Online Store and then Domains. You can purchase a new domain directly through Shopify or connect an existing one you already own. This is your brand's digital storefront, so make it count. With your back-end settings dialed in, you're ready to start adding your products and showcasing them to your Canadian audience. Ensure your product descriptions are clear, your pricing is accurate, and your shipping information is readily available. By following these steps, you're well on your way to opening a successful Shopify store in Canada. Embrace the entrepreneurial journey and happy selling!